Hey there! I was wondering if you currently own a cat or are considering buying one. A journey awaits you. Being inherently curious makes cats easy prey for mischief makers. Rest assured, I will demonstrate the correct way to treat wounds on cats. Now let's take it to the next level and prepare you for surprises. 5. Keep an eye on the healing process. You have treated the wound admirably, but that is not all. Pay close attention to your cat's progress as it recovers. Redness, swelling, or pus might indicate an infection, so be cautious. Also, don't hesitate to call your vet if you see any signs of pain or if the wound isn't healing. Keep in mind that you are their hero. 4. Apply a suitable antiseptic. Now, let's get that wound cleaned. Use a cat-friendly antiseptic. You can find these at your local pet store or vet clinic. Gently dab it on the wound. No harsh rubbing. Okay, we want to be as gentle as possible. This step is super important to prevent infection and promote healing. 3. Stop the bleeding. If there's bleeding, it's time to be calm and collected. Apply gentle pressure with a clean cloth or gauze for a few minutes. Don't panic. Most small wounds stop bleeding quickly. If the bleeding doesn't stop or if it's a serious wound, seek veterinary help immediately. Safety first. 2. Assess and clean the wound. First things first, let's take a moment to really assess the situation. It's like being a detective, but for cat wounds. Is the wound just a small scratch or something more serious? If it's minor, think a little scrape or a small cut. You're set to handle it right in the comfort of your home. But remember, if you're in doubt or if the wound is deep, bleeding excessively, or looks infected, it's time to call in the professionals, your friendly neighborhood vet. Now, let's talk about cleaning the wound. This step is all about being gentle and thorough. You'll want to use warm water, not too hot, not too cold, just the right temperature to comfort without shocking your cat's delicate skin. And the soap, go for something mild and cat-friendly. Think of it as a gentle hug for the wound, washing away dirt and germs. As you clean, be as gentle as a summer breeze. We're not scrubbing a stubborn stain. We're caring for a delicate creature. Use a soft touch to carefully clean around the wound. This isn't just about physical care, it's also about providing emotional support through your touch. Rinsing is just as important as cleaning. Ensure all the soap is rinsed away, leaving behind a clean, safe area. Soap residue can be irritating, and we want our feline friends to be as comfortable as possible. Throughout this process, keep an eye on your cat's behavior. Are they calm or getting agitated? Your approach might need to be as fluid as their mood. It's all about adapting to their needs and ensuring they feel safe and cared for. Remember, this step isn't just about treating a wound, it's about reassuring your cat that they're in safe hands. With your gentle touch and careful cleaning, you're not just healing a wound, you're nurturing a bond of trust and comfort. So, take this step with patience and care. It's an opportunity to show your cat just how much you love and care for them. And when in doubt, always err on the side of caution and consult your vet. Ultimately, prioritizing the safety and well-being of your furry family member is of utmost importance. Stay calm and prepare. Okay, let's start at the very beginning. Staying calm, it's easier said than done, right? But here's the thing. Your cat is like a little emotion detective. They can pick up on your vibes, whether you're cool as a cucumber or a bit on edge. So take a deep breath, or 2 or 3. Your calmness is contagious, and it's the first step in creating a soothing environment for your kitty. Now let's talk about gathering your supplies. You'll need a clean cloth. Something soft and gentle. Think of it as your first aid magic wand. Next up, mild soap. We're talking about the gentle, non-irritating kind. This isn't just any soap, it's a potion for cleanliness and safety. Antiseptics are your next ally. This is crucial for keeping the wound clean and fighting off any pesky germs that want to crash the party. But remember, it's got to be cat-friendly. Your local pet store or vet can point you in the right direction. And, of course, treats. Why treats, you ask? Well, they're not just for bribing, encouraging good behavior. Treats are like little symbols of love and comfort. They convey to your cat, I understand this isn't enjoyable, but I have a delicious treat in store for you. It's about making the experience as positive as possible. While you're at it, why not throw in some extra cuddles and soft words? Your voice can be incredibly soothing. Talk to your cat in a gentle, reassuring tone. Let them know everything's going to be okay. It's amazing how how much comfort a familiar, loving voice can provide. Remember, this step is all about setting the stage for a calm, stress-free wound care session. Your cat doesn't just need a caretaker, they need a calm, confident, and compassionate friend. And that's exactly what you are. So take another deep breath. You've got this. With your calm demeanor and well-prepared kit, you're ready to handle whatever comes your way. Your cat is lucky to have you. And there you have it, dear cat lovers. You've just navigated through 5 simple yet essential steps to safely treat cat wounds. It's a journey of care and love, one that strengthens the bond between you and your whiskered companion. Remember, prevention is always better than cure. Regular grooming sessions are not just about keeping your cat looking fabulous. They're crucial for spotting any unusual lumps, bumps, or scratches that might need attention. It's also a great time to check for fleas, ticks, or other little critters that might have hitched a ride on your adventurous feline. Regular checkups with your vet play a vital role too. They're like your cat's personal health detectives, keeping an eye out for anything out of the ordinary. These visits ensure that your cat is not just healing on the outside, but thriving on the inside too. But hey, we all know cats have a knack for finding mischief, and accidents can happen. That's where your newfound knowledge comes into play. Now you have the knowledge and skills to handle those little mishaps like a pro. Whether it's a minor scratch from a spirited play session or a little scrape from an exploratory escapade, you've got this. In those moments of care, as you gently tend to their wounds, you're doing more than just healing a physical hurt. You're showing your cat that they're safe, loved, and cared for. That kind of comfort and security is priceless in the eyes of your furry friend. And let's not forget the power of treats and cuddles. They work wonders at lifting your cat's spirits, and yours too. A little treat can go a long way in making the healing process a bit more enjoyable for your feline buddy. So keep loving and caring for your feline friend with all your heart. They might not say it in words, but their endless purrs, cozy cuddles, and the way they light up your life speak volumes. You're not just their owner, you're their trusted companion, their protector, and their family. Stay pawsome and embrace every moment of this wonderful journey with your beloved cat. Here's to many more years of joy, laughter, and purr-filled companionship.